Hey guys, welcome to a video, and I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes. Well, all my slimes I've made so far. So first up, we have this one. They do not have names, but go check out my other channel, Evie's World. You'll see me making this slime. So very clicky. It has some beads in, some fishbowl beads, and some little fruit. Oh, crunch. It's very crunchy. So that's my first one. My second one is this one. I found this one out of the box for some reason. So this one I used blue paint to color, and there's fishbowl beads flying out of it. And little beads. Don't mind my hands, they're just gold and sparkly because I made a new slime today, and yeah. So that's that one. We're going to keep it out for too long though because fishbowl beads are flying everywhere. What I use for all the slimes is Elmer's liquid PVA glue, great for making slime. And I also used Elmer's liquid magical slime activator, I think it's called. I can't remember the full thing. So here's the next one. It's a lime green one. It's more like lime green than the other one. As you can see, it's like very different. The cup just started. Container. All these slimes are very clicky. The reason why I'm in the bathroom right now is because my brother is watching YouTube in there, so I can't do in my bedroom because we live next door neighbor bedrooms. So that's that one. Then I'll save the newest one to last. Container is broken. I wouldn't recommend it. This one was a plain white slime, but I really wanted a foam slime, so I made it a foam slime. All rainbow things. It's very, it's not clicky. Got like a different type of clickiness. It's like very... So this was my worst clicker, but best making noises. Next one. And this one. This one was a light pink slime, but with glitter in it. And little silver flakes, but then I had a spare of one of slimes that got wrecked. It melted into it, so it went this color, and it has a few beads in it, I think, or maybe this not one. But yeah, this slime's good. It's clicky, and it's good at making noises. It's quite stretchy too. Some of these are a bit over-activated. I'm not good at making bubbles, so I just do that because it gets a nice little squeak out of it. But that doesn't work, it's nice. And the last one is the one I made. I'll be making more and do some more making some videos after, but this one I just made it a few minutes ago, and as you can see, it's a bit metallic. Well, it looks so metallic on camera, but it's not actually not metallic. I used gold paint, see now it doesn't look matte metallic. It's a bit more metallic than it looks like on the camera right now. See, right in it you can see a little bit, so wait, you can't see. Lighting. Well, bathrooms had good lighting, but apparently not. Yeah, I put gold paint in this, and gonna try making them swirls. I'm gonna make a swirl. Please don't hate if I'm doing this wrong, but you can like comment down below if you think I'm doing it wrong. But just tell me, and please don't like hate. I'm not like any like professionals. But also, yeah, it was alright. So that's it for this video, guys. But I'm going to see you next time. Today's shout out is Ruby Valley. She is one of my friends. Go to the same school, and she has a YouTube channel too. Just go check her out and subscribe, please. Thanks. Bye.